Okay, so we have to talk about this. My hair looks absolutely crazy, but do I care? No, this is way more important. Okay, so tomorrow, ARK just announced that they are launching their ARKX space exploration portfolio. Today, I'm going to be discussing all of the holdings that they have and what I will be doing tomorrow. Also, I may be live streaming my reaction for this because it's going to be good. So I have some juicy details as far as that is concerned, but let's get right into it because I'm very excited. As soon as I heard the news, I was so excited about this portfolio. There are 39 positions, so let's get into it. Of course, I'm Raylan. Let's go over the intro first. I'm Raylan. Please leave a like if you like this and comment below what stock you would like to talk about next. And also let me know if you think that ARK is going to invest in any other space stocks after their launch of this space ETF, if they want to put it in that space ETF. So let's look at the article, and it says ARK Invest CATHIE Wood's firm with multiple actively managed ETFs will debut its latest fund on Tuesday, a space exploration stock. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, oh my goodness, Raylan, can I do this on Webull? Can I do this on Sofi? Where can I buy this ETF? Well, tomorrow you can buy this on Webull. It's already on Webull. What I would do right now is just make sure it's a star, make sure it's on your watch list if you would like to invest in it tomorrow. So be ready for the pre-market and the market. ARKX, the firm's 8th ETF that came out, they did another ETF about 2 years ago, but this is the next one, comes as an increasing number of private space companies prepare to go public later this year. In the past 6 months, 7 space companies have announced SPAC deals. And in the previous video, we talked about Velo 3D that is used by SpaceX. So this is another one. Now, let's go over the top 10 holdings. We have Trimble. We have the whole 3D printing ETF. So that means that NNDM is in this. That means that anything that 3D printing that ARK uses, including Velo 3D, is now in this ETF. We have Kratos at 5.6%, L3 Harris at 5%, JD at 4.8%, Komatsu at 4.6%, Lockheed Martin, of course, at 4.5%, Radium, of course, 4.3%, Thales SA at 4%, and Boeing at 3.6%. Wood, Chief Investment Officer and CEO of ARK Invest Management, has made a name for herself by investing in disruptive innovation, and boy does she. Wood's flagship fund, ARK Innovation, has more than $16 billion in inflows, in the past year. Wood has big bets on names like Tesla, Teladoc, and Roku. Interesting fact, in this ETF, as I was looking at it, we'll go over all of the positions, but she also has Google in it, ticker symbol GOOGL, which actually invests in SpaceX. So that's part of the reason why it's now in this space exploration fund. Wood has garnered a large following after ARK Innovation returned nearly 150% last year. However, her flagship fund, ARK Invest, is down nearly 9% this year. Of course, it's a cooling off period. I believe personally, it's just for entertainment, but I believe personally that this is just because of a cool off, that the market's correcting from all-time highs and it will just bounce to something even bigger. So let's look at all 39 holdings, and I have something to tell you about this because I'm so excited. And of course, tune in tomorrow because I will be live streaming, hopefully, my reaction to this, because it's going to be nuts tomorrow. It's going to be absolutely crazy. There has been so much pent-up demand for this, and it's finally here. Okay, so we talked about the top 10 holdings. Here are the rest of the holdings. We have NVIDIA, no surprise there. We have Spirit, we have Deere, ticker symbol DE. And yes, it's the tractor company, but for those who don't know, I did a video about a month ago about Deere potentially being in ARKX. So again, it's up here, but I'm so excited for this because it came true. So for all of the investors that follow me, Deere is in ARKX, so expect a big leap forward in that. Although they didn't have a cool down at all, it's actually been very solid. If you look at the trend line, it's doing nothing but going up, knock on wood. But I'm so excited for this because this just shows that we are right on the money for Deere, especially. And this is the 13th of their holding. Of course, they have Amazon, they have Teradine, they have Google, they have Dassault Systems. I'll have to check that one out, not sure about that one. They have TDY, they have Garmin Satellites, they have Virgin Galactic, of course, which is ticker symbol SPCE. That's had a recent cool off lately, a big cool off. So I'll be interested to see if that goes up a little bit. Raven, they have Airbus, AeroVironment, AVAV, of course, BABA, Elbit, US Dollar, Netflix, Heiko, Honeywell, Workhorse, Taiwan, Tencent, Ansys, Synopsys, Xlinks, Meituan, Autodesk, Atlas, Crest Investment, that's another one that we've talked about actually on Twitter, Reinvent Technology, which is RTP. So this is very exciting. I don't know if you can tell I'm excited, but comment below and let me know what you think about this space exploration fund. Are you going to invest in it or not based on the stocks you just heard? So, okay, that's great and all wonderful. So what will I personally be doing? Well, according to ARKG right now, it's at $82. According to ARK, the 3D printing ETF, ticker symbol PRNT, that's actually around $30. So right now we have no idea what the actual price target is supposed to be. It's a whole bunch of ETFs and I can't wait for it. But what I personally like to do as an investor is hedge my risk and have some risk management. So I like to look at trends and I like to make sure that the fundamentals are all there. I think she picked some really great stocks and I'm very bullish on this. I might get a starter position but set a limit order around $30, $40, and I know that might be a little low for some people, but if it is going to burst out and rocket, no pun intended, then I think that it should be good around $30, $40. Now, if it goes up anywhere past $100, I'm going to let it cool down a little bit. And those are my average price targets. Now, what I would like to do to get a full position is just monitor it for about a week, about 2 weeks, about a month, just to see the progress and how it's going. And of course, on the dips, or if it goes down about 20%, if it gets heavily shorted, like all of the other ARK portfolios have been, then I will definitely buy in them because again, I'm very bullish on this. I have a long-term mindset with this. Long-term for me is 5 to 10 years. So this should be really exciting, but I'm so excited to actually watch the price go up. Comment below, let me know if you're as excited as I am, if you didn't do your hair this morning because you wanted to tell the news to your investor friends. You might be a little bit excited about that as I am. So just let me know in the comments below if you're excited, if you're going to invest, when you're going to invest. Also, if you want to, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. It helps out the channel tremendously. Plus, you get 2 free stocks, so it's a win-win for both of us. Thank you so much for watching. And again, I didn't even do my intro, but this is Supergirl Investor. We're here to save the world and make you wealthy. So happy investing. See you next time.